How to apply warm, cold, or light color filter to your photos on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, open up the picture gallery. Then in here, in the pictures selection, we go down and open up a picture. Then tap on the edit button. Next, tap on the filters button at the bottom. And then in the filters selection, swipe across, and in here you can select warm, cool, or light. So let's say if you want to apply a warm filter, at the bottom here there is a bar. You can drag the bar to the left or to the right to apply the strength of the filter. So here you can apply 100% strength or simply 25% strength of warmth color filters, adding on top of your original image. Then tap on saved. So that is a cool color here. So again, you can apply a really cool color at 100% strength or mid strength at 50%. And then tap on saved. And that's it. Finally, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.